Hi friends, this is FirearmPop. Hey, this is another heads up. There is a gun show coming up this weekend, August 11th and 12th in Danbury, Connecticut at the Crown Plaza Hotel. So all you guys up here in the Northeast, it's pretty centrally located, just I guess east of New York and south of Massachusetts. But anyway, looking forward to seeing all my good YouTube buddies there. Come on, see the booth. Throw a picture of it up here, and we should have a great time. It is summer, so attendance should be a little light. Kind of expecting that. So we'll have some time to chat and maybe do some video. So looking forward to seeing you guys. It's the Danbury gun show at the Crown Plaza Hotel in Danbury, Connecticut. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.